Hi everyone, I'm in the Samsung building here in Germany, in Frankfurt, and they have got their sort of master chef kitchen happening here. Just finished working on a couple of cups of berries and dessert, which will be served later on, but the kitchen is absolutely packed right now, and everyone's working on their little bit of treat for everyone. And this is the Samsung showcase, which they're working on here. And it's special for today, and it runs for at least 2.5 hours. So a lot of people are coming up here to try out a lot of the various Samsung gear and equipment here that is available for use if you ever upgrade your kitchen to a smart kitchen. Finished product over there. Now, if you are in Frankfurt Mall, you'll see a lot of three-wheel e-bike carriages or rickshaws sitting around. They're very popular with the tourists, and I managed to get a free promotional ride from the mall to the main station, and it took less than 10 minutes.